Hello, good morning, enterprise. Do you want to embrace generative AI and ChatGPT and OpenAI, but you worried about security of large language model? Then we have a develop complete generative AI, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence based platform. Okay, here is the top 10 machine learning security risk: input manipulation attack, data poisoning attack, model inversion attack, membership interference attack, model theft, AI supply chain attacks, transfer learning attack, model skewing, output integrity attack, and model poisoning. And also, a man is a prompt. That is why we have started prompthill.com, India's number one and first LLM focused cyber security firm. This is our website, Prompt Hill. Here you can hire a hacker. Okay, and here is our solution. See, this is a Prompt Hill LLM firewall. Secure your Gen AI application with distributed and context-aware LLM firewalls. This is your database. Here, retrieval firewall, and this is a prompt firewall, and this is a response firewall. Okay, so here is a LLM model like OpenAI, ChatGPT, NVIDIA, whatever LLM here. This is a RAG database, vector database, RAG. Okay, and this is an end user, prompt endpoint. This is a user. So any bad agent input the bad prompt, it will filter out and notified via dashboard. And response also retrieval firewall, and response also secure. So you can use our platform. Provide unparalleled protection against sensitive data leakage, prompt injection, and harmful content. PromptHill takes a distributed approach to AI security that include a new category of content over LLM firewall for prompts and responses, as well as retrieval firewall for data. Retrieval firewall for data during retrieval augmented generation (RAG). This provides unparalleled protection against the OWASP top 10 and NIST identified adversarial machine learning threats such as sensitive data leakage, prompt injection, and harmful. So you can check our website and you can contact us for demo. This is our website, you can check it. Okay. First time, see, if you not protect your ChatGPT or your chat agent or your app, then anybody can steal the customer data. So you must have to protect your LLM infrastructure. This is a threat. Prompt injection, jailbreak, adversarial attack, sensitive data, probabilistic topic, access credential. You can see here. You can request demo. This is your dashboard. So if you want to secure your LLM, large language model, any kind of model, you can scan and protect. So India's first and only Prompt Hill. Whenever you think about the LLM security, think Prompt Hill. LLM security means Prompt Hill. Thank you very much.